Here? No! I don't get any candies these days. Ugh, so I have to look for them myself. And still no luck. Oh, a baggie. Let's see.
What's the matter, Sam?
What's that doing on a bag of candies?
It's a candy guardian.
What guardian?
It guards candies. You eat way too many sweets.
Right. You're serious, aren't you?
Well, maybe.
I'm off.
Off to where?
Back to the Tibidabo. I'm clearly unloved and unrespected here.
You are respected. Well, I'm sorry, Sammy. How about this?
It's a nice start, but it's not enough.
Well, what if we dance for you?
Oh, it's fun! Reminds me of how we made this puppet.
Guys, do you remember how I got the idea for making this puppet?
Maybe you shouldn't disturb the past.
Why not? Guys, write your answers in the comments. The correct answer will be at the end of the video.
Hey, it isn't fair! First you stick guardians everywhere, then you bring up the past.
Sam, wait! Hey! Oh, I don't know what else to offer you. Oh, we forgot to say hello to our viewers with all this. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Listen, Sam, do you want me to make you a pin button with you instead of this?
I'll be the candy guardian then? Absolutely. I didn't know you could DIY a pin button.
You can. I know 2 ways to do it. For the first method, I'll need any pin button.
Take this guardian of yours. I wish I'd never seen it.
All right. And for the second method, I'll need this pin and some cardstock.
And that's it?
Well, no, I'll also need scissors and sticky tape.
I have no success in befriending Miss Tape. Keep it away from me!
Oh, Sammy, we've used it so many times. Get used to it. Guys, do you often use tape for your crafts? Give a thumbs up if you do. But most importantly, of course, I'll need Sam's picture. I've printed it on this self-adhesive paper.
Ain't I good looking?
That you are, Sammy. First, I'll need to stick the tape on the picture. Nice and even. And then, I'll cut it out. Remember, be careful with those scissors. I won't need this.
Wow! Something stuck to me! Get it off!
Wait,
get it off,
Sammy!
Get it off, get it
Just hold still for a moment! Come here! Oh, there! It's just a piece of tape.
And you're asking why I'm scared of it? After this ordeal, I especially need your support, guys! Subscribe to the channel, please! And hit that bell button, okay? And if you tell your friends about me, I'll be head over heels!
I'm sure everyone will support you. And the first pin button is almost done. I need to remove the back layer and stick it on the pin, just like this. Done!
Well, it looks pretty cool, but I'll know that there's that candy guardian under my picture. Feels uneasy.
Ah, then you'll probably like the second method more.
My emoji pencil holder. I see. And here? Yes, I get it. Guys, I wanted to ask you, which emotion of mine do you like the most? I'm trying to make different photos of myself for the thumbnails, but I can't understand which is the best. Write in the comments, please! What's Sue doing, I wonder? I need to observe, or I won't learn how to make the second type of pin button. I'm watching closely. Keep working.
I'll take a piece of cardstock and stick Sam's picture on it. There. Now I'll stick the tape over it carefully. Then, I'll cut it out. There. Now, I need to glue the pin to the cardstock. Oh, where is it? Sam!
Sam, what? Here's your pin.
It came with a gift.
Oops, that's mine.
Oh, not a gift then. Oh well, I'll attach the pin with a glue gun, just like this. I'll apply some glue. Be very careful, guys, it's very hot. And then I'll press the pin down and leave it to firm up. And done!
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, which method did you like more?
I liked both, but I'll take this one without all them guardians underneath.
Well, fine. I'll take this one. If you like this DIY pin button, give it a thumbs up. And let's get it to 2,000 thumbs up to make sure the pin lasts for a long time.
Guys, if you make a pin button like this, post your photos in the comments!
Sam, haven't you forgotten something?
Nope.
We promised to give our viewers the right answer to the question about the Fox Puppet video.
Oh, well, you asked it, you answer it, and I'm off.
He's just embarrassed, guys, because I came up with the idea to make that puppet when I saw that Sam didn't throw the trash out. Well done if you answered correctly. See you soon! La la lam bum. Oh, I like drawing Sammy so much. What about you guys? Have you ever tried drawing slime? Ow!
Aha! It's a pencil guardian! It'll guard my pencils! You take them too often.
That often? Guys, we had so much fun making this episode for you. We have a lot of amazing ideas for new DIYs. So make sure to subscribe to Sam's channel and hit the bell button to be the first to watch new videos.